how to make a quiz, especially what is it? A multiple choice. Yeah. First, I hide the thumbnail video and then delete the sprite number one because I don't need it. Yeah, because I don't need it. First thing first, we make a new sprite. Yeah, click pane, yes. Click pane, and then we draw a rectangle. Yeah, we draw a rectangle. We can change fill. We choose pink. Maybe pink. I don't know. I choose the pink color for today. That's not mean that I like pink, but I will choose pink for this time. And then we draw a rectangle here. Okay, and then we put it in the center, our center here. And then we click a text, a T, and then we change again a color to the black one here. And then we choose start. Click, and then we type start. Yeah. You can change also the what is his name is the font, yeah, like this. Okay, we just start, and then we put here down. Okay. Another thing, we can add new one here. Our pane here, new one. Sorry. I will delete this one, and then we just make mm, here we type quiz time. Okay, quiz time. Make it good time here. Quiz time. Okay, this is number one, yeah. And then don't forget to rename the sprite part. Okay, finish, yeah, number one. This is number one. After that, we go to the code. This sprite code is when the green flag click, it always show when the green flag click. Jadi click green flag and then it will be show. Yeah. But when but when I click the sprite of the start one, it will be hide. Look and then go to the hide. When this sprite click, it will be hide and then it sends a message. Yeah. Send message. Then new message we set it as quiz. We name it as quiz. Okay. After that, we make a quiz. Go to the new sprite, go to the pane, and then click text and make a quiz. What is the animal that in the past? In the past, before human. So A, rabbit. B, lion. C, dinosaurs. D, camel. What is the okay? And then we make this as quiz. We name it as quiz. Because what? Because in the start, the code he called quiz. Yeah, podcast a quiz. Here, the quiz. Okay, we try first. Click show. And the quiz in the first time, when the click, green flag click, the quiz it will be hide, not showing anything. Yeah. But when it receive quiz, then will be show. Okay, we try first this step. One, simple coding. And then we try first. So it's gone for the quiz, but when I click start, the start button is will gone and then the quiz will be showing. Okay, it's very good, yeah? It's very useful. Look this one. Okay, then we add how to add the answer. That will be here. You go to the sensing and then ask, try to answer, please. Try to answer, please. Why we add asks, coding X? Because when we start, it will be here a box of the answer box, yeah? Will appear the answer box,
À,
appearing the answer box. Why this box is appearing and showing? Because we add the coding of ask and wait, okay? And then we add if, then. And go to the operators, we choose or. Why? Because you, uh, sometimes of the people that answer with the capital letter are not a capital letter, small letters. So we add or. If, yeah, if we go this, sorry, we can just put this here inside here. And then if the answer, go to sensing and go to answer here where is answer button or action code, answer here, put here, if, yeah, if the answer equal A capital, what is the correct answer? It's C, yeah?
yeah,
Dinosaur.
C.
Okay. When I add, the answer will be C capital or duplicate small letter of C because not everybody who can answer with the capital. So we add the C here of the small letters. If answer C or C, we go to the loops here and say great, great. You are correct. Correct. Or duplicated here else, and its answer is not correct. It will be wrong. Sorry, wrong answer. Try again. Okay. Sorry, wrong answer. Try again. We can add sound also. Yeah, we can add sound also here. So we can go to the sound, sorry, we go to sound and then we choose the sound here, click play sound and put it down of the say, and then we record or we go to the sound here, sound tab, and then we choose. We don't need this one and we choose another sound like clapping, clap, hand clap or clapping. So we add this one. If will be the correct answer, and we choose another sound, we choose for the, sorry, where is it? Hmm. We choose for the wrong answer. Wrong. Wrong. Oh, no, 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 no. Where we choose, it's a lot of sounds here, but we choose one of them, like Alien Creek. Okay, we choose Alien Creek. Will be the, what is it? The wrong answer. So we go to coding here, and then we go here and choose for the, if the answer is correct, you choose another sound,
The time is
clapping,
10 o'clock
and then we
a.m.
can duplicate this one and put it down here, and we add Alien Creek for the right answer. Okay, that is it. We try then the game. We go to here, and we get the green flag. Quiz time start. I click here, and what is the animal that passed of before human? And I answered C. Then I answer correct here. Great, you are correct. And the sounds will be showing. And then when I start, when I put it a wrong answer, sorry, wrong answer, try again, and then the sound of the wrong answer will appear. That's it for today. Listen how to make a multiple choice, a simple multiple choice. You can add something visual thing, yeah, visual thing for the answer, for the wrong answer or the correct answer. You can add sprite for the correct answer, like this button, but I don't need the black one here. I'm just only just the green one, and then I put the position. This will be nil. It will be zero at y-axis, x-axis will be zero, and then we go to this will be appear when it
Centang dapat dari mana ya?
here.
Ya centang.
Yeah.
Centang.
Okay.
Oh, jabatan 4.
It's always hide. So when we start the green flag, it will be hide for the first time. Hide. Okay. But when we receive a message, go here and then send a message. Forecast. Yeah. Make a new. Correct. Correct. Then okay. Go to the button. When receiving correct, When I receive correct, here one, choose correct. When I receive correct, and then will be show. Show. Yeah, and then wait for 1 second. Also, when it will be the wrong, we choose a sprite again and we get the X button. Okay, put to the zero axis of Y, X, zero axis for Y in the middle. It will be in the middle. And then I don't need the black one, just the red one. And also, every time I click the green flag, it will be hide. Green flag, looks, hide, hide. But when receiving message, broadcasting here, that will be new message wrong. Okay, this will be when I receive message wrong. When I receive wrong, then I will show myself. Show, show, and let's give him the time for waiting 1 second. That's it. But you can choose putting the broadcasting here. You can put first before he says or before playing a sound. Yeah, like this. Then we try now. Okay, hiding over the sprite hiding. And then I click start and showing the question. And I will try answer A. It will be wrong. That's why. Okay. And start again. Start. And I answer the correct one. It will be like this. Okay, that is the material for today. So I hope you can do it by yourself. And if you are finished what you've done for this example, you can show your what is it? Your screen. That's all from me. And sorry if I have mistake. See you next week. Yeah. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ustaz Zaki.